That's your island. This is my island. Yeah. So now, you can go jump, jump, jump. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, you have a pancake.
And now I put it in butter. You had it.
Oh, another pancake.
And now I put it in my island.
She's making an island in kinetic sand. Oh, honey, can I have one more?
A tiny one?
Yeah. Oo.
Look at my big eye. Oh, the coffee toy here. And when you read,
So tell Mother I'll move her over there.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll start.
Yeah, when she comes in. Ginigising ka na niya. Ililipat daw niya doon, Mother. Kasi may mga paglalagyan daw ng wood doon. Lipat niya na lang doon. Yeah, Mother said yeah.
I want my island. Do you want my island?
Yeah? Mm-hmm.
I want my island. Do you want mine?
Oh, there's Ate Dong.
Happy dog.
May utang ka sa kanyang laruan.
Saan namin bibili niyan?
Mura lang yan, kinetic sand. Sa Target.
And a toilet. And a play.
Yeah, kinetic sand. $5.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Daw na. Sabi mo kay Ate Do.
And a toilet.
Try mo yung yung Advil, yung Sinus. Effective sa akin, hindi pa ako naantok.
You take it.
Yan. Bago kong Discovery Channel.
I love my photo. Is that the Leo? I want to kill
So we did, last time we did the Spartan Club because it's,
Manood tayo ng ng J-Bear, yung Air Force. Yeah. Yeah, make sure it's Saturday so we can all go.
Ate Dong, wake up!
Ginising ka.
Grandma wants you to wake up! Bakit ako?
Ang bait talaga niyan.
Lagutin.